In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Monday.com API key. Whether you're a developer integrating Monday.com with other tools or simply looking to explore its versatile API functionality, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find this important piece of information and how to access it securely. Let's start by heading over to the Monday.com homepage. Open your web browser and type in the URL of your Monday.com team account, or simply visit Monday.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're on your homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you aren't already. It's a hub where your teamwork and projects come to life. But today, we're focusing on something behind the scenes, the API key. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon, typically symbolized by your initials or a profile picture. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu should appear. This section is essentially your gateway to all of your account settings and preferences within Monday.com. In this drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Developers and give it a click. This section is specifically designed for users who wish to delve into the technical aspects of Monday.com, such as creating custom apps or running integrations. After clicking Developers, you'll now see various options related to app development and API usage. From here, take a look for something called the API token. This is your key element, your ticket to utilizing Monday.com's API features. Click on API token, and you'll be directed to a page where your specific API tokens are managed. Now, here's an important point to consider. You're not just looking at any ordinary page. This is where your API tokens are displayed and protected. Each token is unique to your account, acting as a password for API communication, so treat it with care and secrecy. With personal or business plans, you can often find several tokens listed, each serving different purposes or integrations. Once you locate your API token, make sure to copy it carefully. You might store it securely in a password manager or another safe place to ensure that it remains out of reach from unauthorized access. Remember, anyone with this token can interact with your Monday.com account through the API, so maintaining its security is imperative. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully locate and manage your Monday.com API key. This token opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to automate tasks or seamlessly connect Monday.com with your other favorite tools. Whether you're aiming to optimize your workflow or broaden Monday.com's capabilities, having this API key is an essential part of exploring all that Monday.com has to offer. Happy exploring, and remember to keep that token secure.